Hold on, Jerry.
Miss Kaylin has to go really far.
All right, you ready, Jerry?
Ready? Alright, so
All right, Jerry, you ready?
Jerry, jump in. Oh my God. Alright.
Go.
Good job, Jerry.
Jerry, come this way.
Go to Miss Kaylin. Go to Miss Kaylin.
This way.
Go. Go. Work for it. Use your arms. Use your arms, big guy.
Do your scoop.
There you go.
Spit it out. Spit it out. Good, Jerry. Scoop it up. Bless you, Janet.
Good. Bless you.
You're almost there.
Keep
Good.
going, Jer.
Good job, Jerry.
Good job, Jerry Bear.